Vijay Rupani, a senior Bharatiya Janata Party leader and former Gujarat Chief Minister, tragically died in a plane crash near Ahmedabad airport. The 68-year-old was aboard a London-bound Air India Boeing 787 Dreamliner that crashed into Meghani Nagar shortly after takeoff, killing 241 of the 242 passengers, with Vishwash Kumar Ramesh as the sole survivor. Rupani was traveling to visit his family in London, leaving behind a legacy of dedicated leadership in Gujarat. Born in Yangon, Myanmar, to a Jain Bania family, Rupani was the youngest of 7 siblings. His family moved to Rajkot in 1960 due to political instability in Burma. A reserved yet committed politician, Rupani began as a student activist with the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, the student wing of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS). He played a key role in the Navnirman movement and was jailed in 1975 for protesting Indira Gandhi's emergency. Joining the BJP at 24, Rupani climbed the ranks, serving as a corporator in Rajkot Municipal Corporation, Mayor, Rajya Sabha MP, and State Cabinet Minister. Rupani served 2 terms as Gujarat's Chief Minister from 2016 to 2021, taking over from Anandiben Patel. Known for his quiet resolve, he managed party dissent and public challenges, leading the BJP through the 2017 Gujarat elections despite a reduced seat count. He also spearheaded the Khushbu Gujarat Ki tourism campaign as chair of the Gujarat Tourism Development Corporation. Rupani resigned in 2021 before the 2022 assembly polls but remained a respected BJP figure. His death echoes the tragic loss of another Gujarat Chief Minister, Balwant Rai Mehta, killed in a 1965 plane crash during the Indo-Pak War. Mourned by leaders like C.R. Patil and Jairam Ramesh, Rupani's passing is a profound loss for the BJP and Gujarat's political community.